What's going on over here? Mommy, looks like you're ready to go.
Yep, ready to walk out the door.
Stella, what are you doing? You're what?
You're
Well,
playing?
it looks like you're possibly blocking the door.
Well, hey.
Hey, Mommy needs to leave. Can you excuse Mommy? Say excuse.
Can you move?
You let Mommy leave now? Okay, Mommy.
Alright, I love you. What are you doing? What?
Why are you sitting right there, Stella?
Why are you sitting there? Will you move? Please?
All right, Mom. Go ahead.
Alright, love you guys. No what? I can't go to WOW. Can I go to the store? Okay. Will you scoot, please? Please move? Please? Yes, you'll move?
Okay, go ahead, Mommy.
Thank you.
Love you. See you later.
Have a good day. A hug. I love you. Yes. 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 Okay. No, you can say Santa today.
All right.
Love you.
See you. Stella, you need to stay with Daddy.
Bye. Will you wait for me? Wait.
Bye, Mommy. Love you.
Love you.
Good try, Stella. I'm welcome. All right, Stella. Hey. Say bye-bye.